So this is graphic card Gigabyte AORUS GeForce RTX 5090 Extreme WaterForce WB22GB G, and this is your graphic card. You can see. Let's check the specification. So Gigabyte processing on this GeForce RTX 5090, and this is clock speed 2056-55 megahertz, and CUDA core 21760, memory clock 28 GB, memory size 32 GB, and memory type DDR7. This is slot actually, DDR7, and memory bus 52 bit, and connector bus which is slot PCI, which is connect in this motherboard, PCI slot E55.0. And this is display resolutions max support 7680 into 4320, multi-view 4, and card size, and this is normal actually. This is required electricity 1000 watt and 60 pin, and this is output means guys display port which is connected to your display port is 3 2.13 display port and one HDMI port. You can see one HDMI port and 3 display port. And this is accessories in this box. You can see quick guide and water resistor and all. Okay,